Luke, and today we're asking the question of, can you make a whole YouTube video in 2019 just using your iPhone? Let's get started. I hope you're going to enjoy this video. To find out if I really can make a whole YouTube video just using my iPhone, I am filming this whole video using an iPhone X, which has a 4K camera, which asks the question of, this also is a 4K camera, so do I need this in 2019? So how is this possible? I'm using a free app from the App Store called ProMovie, and it's giving me absolutely amazing features which you'd get on a DSLR. What I mean by this is now I can control my ISO, what lens to use, my f-stop, my white balance, and all those great things. Because I'm now using my telephoto lens, and what I mean by this is I'm letting more lighting compared to my wide angle lens, so less noise and a more professional image I'm able to produce. Which is great because when you're using your phone you want the least amount of pressure on that sensor because it has a very small sensor in the phone. So how am I achieving this high quality? The answer is the correct camera settings. I'm shooting at 4K at 24 frames per second with a shutter speed of 48 and ISO 60, so there's very little noise in my shot and it gives a very professional look. I also have two softbox LED lights with me, and they are PMS, and they're great lights for only £50, and it really ups your production quality for the least amount of money as possible. And there is one here and one up there which is light in the background. So I'd really recommend getting some lights so your camera sensor doesn't have to be worked quite as hard. So as you can see from this shot, I've added nothing onto my camera, which goes to show that you don't have to spend any extra money if you don't want to, and you can just use your phone by using this app, correct camera settings, and you'll get great quality video. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope it has inspired any budget filmmakers that they can still make great quality video by using the right camera settings on their phone. Thank you for watching, and make sure you like and subscribe.